welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you've been with me before. Where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. And this is Natasha. Today's little haul is a jewelry haul. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got for this month, the month of March. So let's start off with this here. And this one is my earrings, and it says Real Women's Hustle Hard. This is what it looks like. This is for when I go on vacation. I want to be like streetwear. Something that's like in your face almost. So I thought this would be real cute. Real Women's Hustle Hard. You know it. Okay. So let's go with these here too. This will match, like in my other video I showed you guys a teeny tiny money bag that I bought. This will go great with it, except for this is in black and white, but it should be able to match somewhat. So this is what it looks like. And this is the hook. One. Let's see if I can show that even better. The hook. Okay. So I bought this here, and this is the mother of pearl shell. So I got the bracelet and the necklace, a matching combination set. It didn't cost me very much. I don't exactly remember how much it costed me at all. I just know I didn't pay a fortune for it, and it is stretchable. And this is what it looks like. It is champagne color, which is like is a mixture between chocolate and, well, let's say cinnamon. A cinnamon color. A shiny cinnamon color, as you can see here. And it does stretch, like I said. And here's the necklace. Isn't this pretty? I forget what I bought this. I bought this to match something. Can't remember. I'm looking for an outfit to match it. It's one or the other. I can't remember. But when I bought it, it made me think of something. Okay. So this here is my Juicy Couture bracelet. And it's a nautical bracelet. I was in a Juicy Couture fix for 2 weeks. Trust me, I got a Juicy Couture handbag collection haul coming up right after this. Or it'll be before this or after this. I'm not for sure in the order. But this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Isn't it cute? And I did get a discount on this. I think I paid $14.95 for it. You really came across these? I think I came across, well, after I bought this one, because I wasn't really happy with the quality of it. But it was sold as is. So when I got in touch with the seller of it, I was like, well, you didn't tell me this and you didn't tell me that, and I'm not really happy with the purchase. And he was like, well, I can take it back from you. You can send it, and I'll go ahead and I'll make an exception this time. And so what I did was I dropped the picture into search, and the pictures I came across the other ones that were used, and they looked used because one of them was rusted out. Let me see which part. Up in this area here was rusted out, and they wanted $20 to $24 for it, and it was rusted out. And I was like, I got mine brand new for $14.95. And then the other ones I came across were used as well, and they wanted 20 something for those as well. And I was like, well, I did pretty good to get it brand new for only $14.95, and that was on sale. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? I mean, when I say the quality, let's see here. I have high expectation when it comes to my Juicy Couture jewelry. Alright, here was kind of, it's not scratched. Okay, I don't know if you guys see like look like little bin marks in it. Like little teeny tiny bin marks in it. That's what threw me off of it. And I wasn't happy with that. Even though people's not going to see that unless you take it off and show it to them, it just wasn't, I wasn't really happy with that. Plus, it does not have Juicy Couture sign on it whatsoever. So unless you know, then you don't know. And like I said, I had to do my search on it after he told me. I did my search on it, dropped the picture, and it started popping up used on different sites. Used for 20 something dollars. So I was very fortunate to get it for the $14.95. Alright, let's stick with Juicy Couture. This is another Juicy Couture. As you can see, and this is the perfume, let's see here. It's Viva La Juicy. This is a perfume heart, pendant necklace. So it has solid perfume off in it. See if I can. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do it. But this is how it looks, crystallized. Maybe I can raise it from here. No, it's not gonna let me do it. Let me try again. But you can do it with one hand. Alright, but this is how it looks. I got this one for $12.95. Once again, I'm sure I negotiated. I negotiate everything. I always tell my son, like my son, I would tell him with the RBSC, like, you would get those Versace shoes for $1,000. I can get those same Versace shoes for $200. And so I would negotiate. And I do teach him, I've taught him and my mom how to negotiate. So we'll go off into Ross. They will go off into Ross and they will negotiate in Ross. They will haggle off in Ross, y'all. No lie. So I have taught them the art of negotiation very well. And Ross would, each time they would give them 10% off. 10 to 20% off. Just like, say for instance, you come across a purse and they want like a Juicy Couture purse. That same purse is selling for $20 for each purse of the same design. But say for instance, you find just one little teeny tiny scratch on that one purse. So you simply say to them, well, this purse has a scratch on it. And you're saying that you want $20 for the same purse, but it has a scratch on it. So there's a flaw in this purse, but you selling it for $20 just like you're doing the ones that are perfect. Okay, we'll give you 10 to 20, we'll give you 10% off, or we'll give you 15% off, or we'll give you 20% off. So I taught them how to negotiate, and they negotiate very well. So that's what I do. I haggle even online. So even though it's discounted, I will ask for an even further discount. I'll find something, like I'll watch it. Like I'll watch something for a year or two. Because I'll be biding my time on it, just biding my time on it. I'll say to myself, I don't need it right now. I don't need it right now. I can wait a while. And then maybe after a year or two, I'll get in touch with the seller and I'll go, you've been had this for like 2 years. Are you willing to sell it now? Do you want to keep it or do you want to sell it? And if you're willing to sell it, I'm willing to pay this amount for it because it's all that I have to spend on it. And they're either gonna say yes or they're gonna say no, or they're gonna haggle with you, and then you come with a price. Like I will purposely drop the price really low. Like say for instance, they want $20 for that. I will purposely say I will give you $12 for that because I'm willing to pay $15 for that. So I know they're gonna try to negotiate me up to 15. Sometimes they don't even come close to 15. Sometimes they'll say $13. All right, I saved myself even more, so that's $2 extra. And sometimes they'll say $16. Okay, well, I was willing to spend 15. I'm still willing to pay 16. But I usually get what I'm going after. Because I negotiate. I haggle real quick and real hard. Alright. So these two I got from Akira. And as you see this earring, these are earrings. As you see here. And this says, I thought this was really cute when I saw it, and I had to get it right off as soon as they listed on their site. I bought it. It says, "Pay my bills." Like the Destiny Child song. Can you pay my bills? This is sounding right off the list. Look, when you're looking at my ears, it's letting you know, sweetie, pay my bills. If you can't pay my bills, then why are you in my face? Me, you ain't got nothing to talk about. Don't you see I like designer stuff? Don't you see I like being dressed up? Don't you see I like being cute? Don't you see I like smelling good? Come on now. Can you pay my bills, baby? If you can't pay my bills, then why are you up in my face? Because the first thing I was told when I was a young girl was, if a man can't buy for you or do for you, then how you going to take care of you if you marry him? That's his first audition. If he buys you stuff and pays for stuff to let you know that he can be a good husband for you. And you also audition for him for like cooking for him, kissing on him, being good to him, letting him know that you're going to make a very good wife. So if you can't pay my bills, why you up in my face, sweetie? Get up out my face with the heartbeat. So my earring is letting you know right off. Pay my bills, baby. Pay my bills. Like I said, these are earrings, and these came from Akira. So I also picked up these here. So I'm gonna like them. These are alligators or crocodiles, whichever one they are. Don't know the difference between them. I know one got a skinnier snout and one got a rounder snot, but I still don't know the difference. But this is what they are. And these two are earrings. And that's what they look like. Isn't it cute? I wish these had been in gold, because these would have been bamming. I think these would have been so much, and a little bit bigger. I like hoops. I think these should have been a little bit bigger. I would like them even more so. Alright, so my last jewelry haul is by a jewelry company called Real Collections. Let me see if I can get that. Called Real Collections. Real Collectibles, I mean. Real Collectibles. And this does move. This is it's a pendant as well as a necklace, as you can see here. A pendant as well as a necklace. And it does move, as you can see here. See, it turns. See. So all the body parts move on it. Isn't this so cute? When I saw that and I saw that it moved, I just knew I had to have it. And this here goes for $100 and something. Yeah, yeah. The person was just wanting to get rid of it. So I gave them $23 for $100 and something necklace. Like I said, I like to negotiate. I like to get the bang for my dollars. I am retired. I retired early in my 30s. So I get a retirement check. And I like to make my check go a long ways. And I fell in love with this. From the moment they said it could move, I just knew I had to have it. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Anyways, I'm falling in love with it all over again. Anyways, little bear. Alright, well, it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, good night, and God bless. Bye.